What's better than a fabulous planter to put your new plants in? An affordable planter you hacked from IKEA, of course. Whether you're carefully babying an indoor herb garden, or are looking for a way to DIY a vertical garden on the patio, you can always count on IKEA for inexpensive products that do double duty as really cool planters and pots. 1. DIY mid-century planters. Keep the legs au natural or dip them in some bright paint. The choices are endless when it comes to personalizing these great stands. 2. Belted hanging pots. Add a textured element to your hanging pots by using a thrift store belt instead of a metal hook. 3. Legged basket planter. You may have some of these baskets sitting around the house already, and the worn-in look could give plants an extra touch. 4. DIY acacia wood plant stand. The IKEA PS plant stand is cool on its own, but you can make it your own by swapping them out with wooden trays. 5. Fruit bowl planter. We actually think we like the IKEA Tradig fruit bowl better as a planter. Plus, it's already got all the drainage you need. 6. Plant pot shelves. Is it just us, or is there something infinitely cooler about setting your potted plants in the shelf rather than on it? 7. Tension rod garden. For this hack you won't even need a drill. Can you say renter-friendly? Just use a tension rod to hang your garden right inside your sunniest window. 8. Anvan bar hanging plant holder. This isn't technically a hack either, but these hanging planters are just dying to be customized. Make that boho style your own. 9. Brass plate wall planter DIY. This shiny wall planter comes together with just a few of these pots and some wood. Consider filling with faux plants for a finished look you never have to worry about. 10. DIY terrazzo planter. Turn up the color on those white pots you've got around your home with this easy upgrade. 11. IKEA FRIDFULL. This planter comes with a plastic liner inside, making it totally waterproof. We think they'd look amazing dipped in paint to stand out in your plant nook. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.